All right, happy Thursday. We'll start with rhyme recognition. I'll say 3 words. You repeat the 2 words that rhyme. Flip, clip, plot. Flip, clip. Glass, blank, class. Glass, class. Glare, blame, flame. Blame, flame. Play, flow, blow. Flow, blow. Fly, sly, flee. Fly, sly. Very good. Okay, onset fluency. Flavor, flatten. Full. Place, plenty. Pull. Sticky, stapler. Smother, smitten. Spotless spirit. Okay, we're going to blend. B-O-A-N-D. Blonde. K-O-A-K. Clock. F-O-I. Fly. G-O-V. Glove. P-O-U-G. Plug. S-O-I-C. Slice. B-O-O. Blow. K-O-O's. Close. Great job. Let's isolate our medial sound, the middle sound. Full-ah-s. Ah. Bull-a-nt. Kol-ove. O. Soul-eyed. I. Kol-een. E. Soul-ed. E. Kol-amp. A. Okay, we're segmenting. I'll help with the first couple. Black. B-O-A-K. Clam. K-O-A. Flag. Glad. G. Plain. Slip. Blend. D. Clap. Okay, add our initial phoneme. We're starting with lead. Add B to the beginning to make bleed. We're starting with lump. Add K to the beginning to make clump. We're starting with lash. Add F to the beginning to make flash. We're starting with loss. Add G to the beginning to make gloss. We're starting with lus. Add P to the beginning to make plus. We're starting with lied. Add S to the beginning to make slide. Very good. Now I'm going to delete. We're going to start with plain without P. What's left? Lane. We're starting with slate without S. What's left? Late. We're starting with bless without B. What's left? Less. We're starting with clap without K. What's left? Lap. We're starting with gleam without G. What's left? Lean. We're starting with pledge without P. What's left? Ledge. We're starting with fled without F. What's left? Lead. All right, only one more section to go. Substituting phonemes. We're starting with the word race. Change to pull, and what's the word? Place. We're starting with the word moss. Change to full, and what's the word? Floss. We're starting with the word sock. Change to bull, and what's the word? Block. We're starting with the word pitch. Change to gull, and what's the word? Glitch. We're starting with the word said. Change to full, and what's the word? Fled. We're starting with cheer. Change to cool, and what's the word? Clear. Great job. I'll see you tomorrow. It's Friday. Yay!